The Giraffe Tools Pressure Washer GT-2400 is a powerful cleaning tool offering a maximum pressure of 2,400 pounds per square inch and a water flow rate of 2.3 gallons per minute. This pressure washer is highly versatile, equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon to tackle various cleaning tasks from cars to patios and driveways. Designed for ease of use, it features a 20-foot hose and a 32-foot cord, allowing for extended reach and mobility without being constrained by the environment. The inclusion of a manual hose reel ensures the hose is neatly stored and easily accessible, enhancing the efficiency of your cleaning routine. The unit is designed with 2 wheels and an anti-tipping feature, providing stability and easy maneuverability during operation. Giraffe Tools offers exceptional customer support, promising prompt solutions and lifetime-friendly assistance for any issues that may arise.